Turned up to this one, studio apartment we just purchased, ready to renovate. It's an old Victorian building. It was renovated a couple of years ago, but I don't think they've maximised the space. As you can see, there's a lot of wasted space here. I've added the picture so you can visually see what I was thinking when I first walked in. The survey picked up that there was some damp, but it was actually just condensation because it's double brick but no cavity. As you can see, it's a studio apartment because although it's got sliding doors, the bedroom and the lounge area is kind of one thing. And the view like that is stunning. Nice little walk-in wardrobe. Storage space is always a must. The washing machine's in the little boiler cupboard, which does kind of keep it out the way of the kitchen. I fitted this boiler a couple of years ago, so at least I know that's fine. And then there's stairs that went nowhere, and then an understair cupboard, which is a massive waste of space. I mean, it's all right for storage, but it'd be much better getting all this opened out. This all used to be one building at one point, so the stairs went up through the middle, and then when they renovated it, they just didn't take the stairs out. That's definitely one of the first things that I want done, is take all this out, maximise some space. The kitchen doesn't look too bad actually. And then as for the bathroom, it's absolutely shocking. You got speed fit, you got old radiators, the pipework's an eyesore. That extractor fan sounds like a helicopter crossed with a tractor. And I personally just don't think they've maximised the space very well. You can see a lot of work has gone into this, but I just don't think it's great. So this was a very slow project. 2 years later, we head back in. I've gone for white walls to make it brighter, make it feel a bit bigger. Gone for black skirting, black fixings. Every double socket's got a USB point. There's 2 TV aerials for both sides of the room so people can have the telly wherever they want. Gone for solid oak doors. Cut some light hatches in at the top. Made a little bit of a feature of that. So this is the lounge, and then we're going to walk into the bedroom. Again, nice big open space. 2 double sockets each side of the bed. That view's still stunning. So gone solid oak doors throughout. The walk-in wardrobe, I didn't really need to change it, just painted the skirting and put new carpets in. Gone with decorative column radiators for the nice modern look. I think we've managed to maximise the space as best we could. So in this cupboard we've put a wash machine point again. Also put a worktop unit in so that you can actually have a wash machine and then a tumble dryer on top, and there's a bit of storage in there. This will be rented out, but I couldn't resist buying that mirror to go above that radiator. So we head into the kitchen. Wasn't too bad before, but I think it's considerably better now. Looks extremely modern. Even gone for a black tap, and we've got the black fixings throughout again. And then my favourite room, we've saved it till last, is the bathroom. Porcelain tiles throughout, black fixings and fixings again. I love the design of that mirror as well. Move things around, the toilet's flipped around. It's not ideal being in front of the window, but I couldn't get it anywhere else. I think the whole room's opened up a lot more and just looks really modern. Like I said, it's definitely my favourite room. I bought this for me and my little lad to do up together. He's chipped in where he can, bless him. But it's great to see this one at the end. On to the next one. Happy days.